Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Department of School Education and Literacy select Dr. Hepor Unibang of KB Memorial Secondary School for National Teachers Award 2025. AICC Secretary Matthew Anthony claims NPP rebels approach Congress, asserts return to power in 2028. Opposition to PPP model for Tura Medical College and GHADC salary delay intensifies. Garo Hills observes 2-hour shutdown. And Congress voices concern over rising HIV/AIDS cases in Meghalaya and Northeast. The news in detail. The Department of School Education and Literacy has selected Dr. Hepor Unibang of KB Memorial Secondary School, Wapung, East Giant Hills, Meghalaya, to receive the National Teachers Award 2025. The list of 45 teachers was announced and President Draupadi Murmu will confer the awards to the selected teachers on September 5th on the occasion of Teachers' Day. In the list of selected teachers, 3 each are from Maharashtra and Bihar, 2 each have been shortlisted from Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. 5 school teachers from the Prime Minister's Schools for Rising India PM Shri have made it this year.
Nung kong ncham pau ke jing sngu ke bakrau ya ublei ubah la judon angkat lembat nga man nakipor bad hakinu ginu ki benta ki bangale nadu bangadang red hadu ke por ke bamenta nung kong ngabu ya ublei khmat bad ngai i sisa ya ka ta ka sangti ke badon bor ke chu ke yarap sisa nga bad haki benta baro ki bangapan uai bad uyarap yang kani kalong ka banga kum ubru ngasngo ba ngamla syu ban ai kata ka jingro yu blei ka ba ula ai ba ula the sei halor ke chingim ke chonga.
AICC Secretary in charge of Meghalaya, Matthew Anthony, has claimed that many anti-incumbent members within the NPP-led government have approached the Congress, though the party is carefully charting its course before attempting a return to power. However, Anthony declined to reveal the names of those NPP members seeking to join. He expressed confidence about returning to power in Meghalaya after the assembly elections in 2028. He further claimed the AICC Secretary also informed that discussions were held on the upcoming Garo Hills Autonomous Council elections and on strengthening the party's presence at the grassroots level.
Has to happen. That's why people, we are discussing that one. But as a party which has been in this country for long and have seen the ups and downs, we are definitely sure that we are coming back in 2028 and we are taking the steps for the victory towards that. Because we have been approached a lot by the anti-incumbents within the NPP government. We have seen the ups and downs, but we've delivered to the people at every point of time. And that is a confidence which is backing us. We have people with us, who are willing to join, including big names in the state, but we are not kind of, looking into them. We are looking into people who can stay committed to this party. We are looking into people who can build the commitment to the people of Meghalaya and not for themselves, who sell themselves.
The Garo Hills region of the state today witnessed a 2-hour shutdown in protest against the proposed public-private partnership PPP model for Tura Medical College Hospital and the 43 months pending salaries of NGEA employees. The shutdown, organized by the Joint NGOs Forum, brought the region to a standstill. The Joint NGOs Forum, which comprises various civil society organizations' contention is that the PPP model would compromise the quality. The forum demands scrapping the proposal. The Joint NGOs Forum has also been demanding that the government take immediate action to release the pending salaries of GHADC employees who have been facing financial hardship due to the delay. The Meghalaya State Planning Board MSPB, led by Chairman Medbat Lingdo, has proposed construction and widening of roads to address growing traffic congestion in Shillong. During an inspection of routes from Saulat to Lapalang and other areas on Monday, Lingdo said the board is considering widening certain stretches which may require acquisition of defence and private land. The team also reviewed proposals for a bridge from Umpling Dong Sharum to MES, Nongrim Hills, and a road link from Lumshiap to Maulai Mauro. Stressing the public's hardship due to traffic snarls, Lingdo said the MSPB will recommend to the state government the construction of new roads and widening of existing ones with support from all the stakeholders.
Away na ki Jakarta ki bah kamat dari ketuka junction ke bawan Nasaulat ke bawan hiat ni kitang lumat ngan Lapalang lembak super care hospital bat kawai pada kalong kuaya yang banang tai nak kamat jong kegiat jong asam regiment. Dem tak sini dem ni layat ni UI kidon sebun ki ba la ban ne kama kidon kam sebun ka jingi terkat nak no borok kilian. Ngi bagi dong Jakarta untuk kepada jongka defense land kamde jongka cantonment board kumbala batai da iwi ni ki dorang ba iba pang tu apa lomba dengan bat ke tu kan daripada Jakarta kepada jongki resumet private land pat mentangin ra apa ka jingya tai pat ke jingya keren unu bangin aya ka strong recommendation kepada bat ka jing ai jing mut ya ka government maka banta makin tahu ki lak tin ban sot ya kini ki jing ki bai ba ki.
United Democratic Party President Medbat Lingdo has pitched for an inclusive and holistic growth of any political party over dictatorial style of functioning. Speaking during the general meeting of the UDP Southwest Khas Hills unit, he said that the voice of the majority should always be respected. Earlier during the day, elected the new office bearers for the team 2025-2029, in which Ranikor MLA Pius Marwin was elected as the UDP President Southwest Khas Hills Circle and UDP Jeslan Roy Nongsi as the General Secretary.
Karukom trikam kalong ngikin top lang dia kibupun lang. Hakabadi bat karukom trikam. La kalong menyetai, la kalong hakaba ngia perkat kam, la kalong hakaba ngin sim ni kedu karai. Na kuapan kan skam ni hama kurwat. Kejaka bagi pelong ke jelang tasi hakani kahon. Baka noben karai kan long. Hello, John. Kajing ajimut jogi babon kibala.
The Congress has voiced concern over the alarming rise in HIV/AIDS cases and drug abuse in Meghalaya. Tura Congress MP Salenge Sangma told reporters on Monday that he had raised these critical issues in Parliament, highlighting the growing threat in the state and across the northeast. Sangma cautioned that Meghalaya's proximity to the Golden Triangle has worsened the problem, with drug abuse and HIV cases increasing sharply in the past 3 years and surpassing the national average. He noted that even Health Minister Ampareen Lingdo recently suggested mandatory HIV testing before marriage.
The major challenges right now what we are facing is this, HIV militancy, and then all sorts of other drugs and then development. Within this just 3 years, the rise of drugs abuse, the rise of HIV is so much so that it has trajected like anything. Now it has even crossed the Indian ratio road of the drugs abuse, especially our Meghalaya. Now, just recently, Minister herself has already told, even before marriage, you have to take the HIV certificate from the doctors. What does it mean?
The long-cherished dream of the people of Nong Kinjang and the wider Lai Lingdo area is finally taking shape with the construction of the Nong Kinjang Primary Health Centre PHC now in full swing. The project, which marks the upgradation of the erstwhile sub-centre, is expected to be completed within this year. The project was sanctioned at a cost of Rs 9.78 crore with a stipulated completion period of 10 months. Residents expressed heartfelt gratitude to the government of Meghalaya, particularly to former MLA Shri Macmillan Birsat for his efforts in ensuring this long pending demand became a reality.
Tinga kumurong ba yung ni kadong asokmen, but asokmen itu kata nomor ba kajingwan raya kan ika siat ni kalong kajingman toy ka kraw yang ikum kikun sinong kutau jong kan ika tan jong kan ika dong lai lendo bro kowe
ngi kum ka dong sini ka nong asokmen ba kala urlong kajing trang jong ikum ka dong sini ba kamtam na banta jong kilong kemi kiba pang bat kiba lek kakulung nama ladang ile cedu sha civil hospital nong ton ka jengai ka simpor pat ladala don hangi pat ngi la long khamjan
kadai kajing kerku ondai tang naga banta ki sunong no kencang kadai kajing kerku naga banta kadong ka tanjungi tangi layo ya kadai ka PHC kadai ka mati jong i MLA ba barim jungi ba nadu kajing long MLA jong i nilayo ban wan thung ya umang rem ban menta kalalong sisa ka la urlong sisa ka nikaskan.
Director General of the Central Bureau of Communication Headquarters, Kanchan Prasad, praised the tireless efforts of field officers and reaffirmed the Government of India's commitment to empowering the northeastern region through proactive and inclusive communication outreach. Delivering the keynote address at the second annual Northeast Zonal Conference held at the Shillong Club, Prasad commended the officers and staff who serve as the foot soldiers of the central government, reaching remote corners of the region to spread awareness on critical issues such as cancer prevention, drug abuse, and various flagship schemes. She emphasized the importance of adopting both traditional and digital media strategies to effectively tackle the region's unique communication challenges.
I would say information is empowerment. So this is the work that you guys are doing on the field. I mean, sitting in Delhi, we can tell you that you have to do this, but you are my foot soldiers going around to the farthest corner of the country to spread the message of awareness, whether, as Kripa said, it's about cancer, it's about drug abuse, or anything related to the central government which can empower the citizen, even if you're making it aware, even if you're making them aware, it's a huge task.
Prime Meghalaya conducted a public awareness program at Mairang Market in Eastern West Khasi Hills District to promote the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge, CME-CC 6.0. The initiative, launched under the state government's mission, seeks to nurture entrepreneurship and support local innovators. At the Mairang Awareness Program, RJ Safi from Red FM, along with officials from Prime Meghalaya, interacted with the public, shared details of the challenge, and encouraged aspiring entrepreneurs to participate. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 82%, rainfall 5.8 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 87%, rainfall 10.1 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Jawai, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 85%, rainfall 13.7 millimeters. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jawai says moderate rain and thundershower is likely to occur at most places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Department of School Education and Literacy select Dr. Hepor Unibang of KB Memorial Secondary School for National Teachers Award 2025. AICC Secretary Matthew Anthony claims NPP rebels approach Congress, asserts return to power in 2028. Opposition to PPP model for Tura Medical College and GHADC salary delay intensifies. Garo Hills observes 2-hour shutdown. And Congress voices concern over rising HIV/AIDS cases in Meghalaya and Northeast. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and have a good night.